Thank you so much, Maria Shah, for your comment. So to answer your question, kapag overpayment ka sa credit card mo, walang refund process na nangyayari dito. Ibig sabihin lang yan, mapopost yung overpayment mo sa iyong account and then may makikita ka minsan dyang negative sign. Let's say for example, ang total statement amount mo is 2,000 pesos, you pay 3,000 pesos. So may kita mo sa online banking mo, negative 1,000. It only means na any transaction that you will be making moving forward, less 1,000 pesos na siya. So let's say for example, nagbayad ka na sa over the counter or sa cashier, sa mga sa mga mall, sa mga like mga payment centers na yung talagang ikaw yung nagpunta, nagbayad ka, binigay mo lang yung card details mo, amount, cash, tapos binayaran mo, overpayment, ganun lang mangyayari doon. You cannot refund it, it cannot be given to you back as cash, pero it will now be showing on your account once payment is posted na negative sign. It only means na let's say for example, again, 2,000 ang bill mo, you pay 3,000, so meron kang 1,000, negative 1,000 sa account mo, which serves as parang may 1,000 pesos ka dun sa credit card account mo. And then let's say for example, you spent another 2,000 pesos, so yung negative 1,000 pesos dun sa account mo, mamaminus sa new purchase mo na 2,000 pesos, na magiging bill mo na lang, makikita mo 1,000 pesos. I hope this helps.